birds and their sounds. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's I'm talking about birds. Birds is an animal with wings, feather, one beak and two legs. Now let's see. Flamingo. Flamingo is able to run on water, longest lifespan bird. Duck. Duck have two unique features that make them such a good swimmer: web feet and waterproof feather. Eagle. Eagle eyes are extremely powerful, more than human eye 4-5 times. Kite. Kite is able to use wind current. Woodpecker. Woodpecker are known for pecking holes in tree bark to find insects to eat. Kiwi. Kiwi is chicken-sized birds found in New Zealand. Parrot. Parrot are an intelligent bird with 372 species and able to sound like human being. Peacock. Peacock is one of the beautiful birds on the earth and national bird of India. Pigeon. Pigeon are highly sociable birds. Vulture. Vulture is purify the environment by eating rotten, dead creatures filled with dirt. Swan. Swan is beauty, elegant and graceful in world. Sparrow. Sparrow found around us. Ostrich. Ostrich is very tall bird with long leg, neck, small heads and large body. Crane. Crane are powerful flyer over the Himalaya and they eat both animals and plants. Bulbul. Bulbul is active, noisy, plain color bird and they feed on fruit and insect. Maina. Their ability to reproduce sound including human speech. Owl. Owl can turn their heads all the way and they have superpower hearing and owl is night birds. Penguin. Penguin are seabirds. They use their wings to travel underwater but they can't fly in the air. Crow. Crow are very clever and curious birds with black color. Tailor bird. Tailor bird is unique bird that know to stitch. Cuckoo. Cuckoo is lazy bird but her voice is so sweet to listen. Beak. Wing. Claw. Feather. It's a part of birds.